block, we had...
Deep inside you feel many interested. Many? You can't...
went to...
Don't...
We went to the library. We went to the library.
Yeah.
And we creeped around there again. And there, Madam Pins was there. Okay. No. No.
The American school bus. It is really, really cool.
It's a weird... They're not kids.
They're really bad kids. They're adults, little adults.
They should go to an evil baby orphanage.
You really knocked me. Said, hey, who are you? I'm nice, okay, bye.
Yeah. Was funny.
I make your day interesting, yeah?
I like followed her.
I'm the hope of your
She's my
life.
world. Yeah, so then we had intro to computer applications. Go on. And I worked on a song thingy in slideshow.
That was mad. Yeah, the screaming boy. yeah, I think it's really nice. He's really nice. I like him, but he has gotten
Talked loudly.
Yeah, that's not the only. I can't read what you write. Yeah, but
He gave her an STD. In health, it was really super awkward because Larry got to experience how to put on birth control.
no,
Really
oh yeah.
they want to fish with
Yeah,
it.
if Timo sees us, Rabbit Boy is your best friend.
I like to talk to rabbits, but
It's so interesting. It's so interesting.
she did. I think that I really like that hat on you. They're watching for you. Marco, the janitor, kind of creeped on her.
Who's Marco?
The janitor. The garbage.
The funny.
He's a cool cat. What? He's a cool cat. We went to lunch, and then we went to band, and that was fun.
It was really good. But porn.
What? Is that what I'm supposed to say? No, okay. Wir sind
Yeah, it's pretty good.
die Toilette. The
It's
toilet.
really impressive. Here. I want to talk to me. And Sam can.
I like this nothing.
Yeah, I know. With me. Yeah, she has got brown eyes.
Yeah.
I'm talking about stuff.